Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Zealous Tutorials. So today we are doing Everything I Could Want by Hillsong, Young and Free. So the song is in the key of E major. It's a relatively simple song. They do some interesting things with the guitar. So if you've listened to the song already, you'd realize that there's no piano, but still going to demonstrate it on piano anyway. So I'll show you two ways that you can go about approaching the song, seeing that there's no piano on it. So firstly, you could try and emulate what the guitar is already playing. So that's that. So you could play with syncopation. Secondly, you could just hold the chords and just create something completely new. Okay, so I'm just going to focus more on the syncopated version, which is how the guitar plays it on the album. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by going over all the chords that you're going to see me playing, so that it makes it easier when you're actually playing the chords. Okay, so the first chord is the F sharp major 7. No, sorry, it's a F sharp minor 7. Okay, followed by a B major. You might also see me playing it in second inversion, followed by E major, but you'll see me playing it in second and first inversion. And the last chord is a C sharp minor 7. Sorry guys, I'm mixing up my minors and majors. Okay, so it's a C sharp minor 7. Yeah, I'm playing it in this voicing. I've basically you can play the 5th, but I'm omitting the 5th. I'm just playing the 1st, the 7th, and the 3rd. And oh, sorry, there's one more chord, which is the A major. You can add the 2 if you want. You can play it in this version. Okay, so I'm just gonna play through the verse. The verse and the chorus are exactly the same. So I'm just gonna play through the verse or the chorus, and then I'll explain what is happening later on. So that's basically the whole progression, guys. So we start off with a F sharp minor 7 chord. So with all the chords, we start with the 1st and the 5th with my left hand. So it's the 1st and the 5th. When you go over to B, you do the same thing. So you play the 1st and the 5th. Go to E, same thing, 1st, 5th, C sharp minor, 1st, 5th. So all together, this is what your left hand is going to sound like. Now I'm going to add in my right hand. So you play your 1st and 5th with your left hand, and then you're gonna add your right hand and play the whole chord at the end of that. Okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. So basically that's the whole sequence that you're gonna use throughout the whole song. Okay, so now I'm just gonna head over into the instrumental part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play it through, and then I'll play it slowly note by note so you can see the chords that I'm playing. For the instrumental part, we're still following the same chords, the same chord progression. It's just that we playing a solo on our right hand while we playing the same chord progression. Okay, so this is what it sounds like. Okay, so I'll play it slower, note by note, so you can see what I'm playing. So I'll play that one more time. I'll try and play it a bit slower this time. Okay, I made a slight mistake at the end, but you get the idea. That's it, guys. So that's the whole song. So if you're new to this channel and you don't want to miss out on any new episodes, please make sure that you like and subscribe. And from me, have a lovely day.